Hi, I'm Aaron Delgado, and I want to tell you about some very important changes to Florida's DUI laws effective October 1st, 2025. There's three main changes to Florida's DUI laws for the end of 2025. The first is that you can no longer safely refuse a breath test. Previously, I would warn a driver not to take a breath test unless they were sure they were going to pass it. That being said, now, if you refuse a breath test, it's a misdemeanor offense. It's a secondary misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail, or 6 months of probation, or a combination of the two, plus fines. That makes the decision all the more difficult, and that's why, if at all possible, you want to speak to a lawyer roadside if you're being questioned for a DUI. And that's one of the reasons we have a 24/7 line where you can reach us for help. The other consequence that's really made a big change is that now police officers can get warrants for your blood. Even if you refuse to cooperate, they can get a warrant on a routine DUI investigation. That's a huge change, and I expect we'll see a lot of litigation on that in the Florida Supreme Court. The third change is that now, if you're caught driving on a suspended license and your license is suspended because of a DUI, there's an automatic minimum jail sentence attached. 30 days for the first time, 60 days for the second, and 90 for your third or subsequent arrest. That's a big change. Before, it may have been the policy of the local state attorney's offices to put you in jail if you were caught driving. Now the legislature imposes that as a mandatory requirement. The judge has no discretion around it. That makes the decision to risk driving on a DUI suspension all the more perilous. And again, that's why it's so important that you immediately challenge your driver's license suspension by hiring an aggressive, experienced Florida lawyer. If you or someone you know has been accused of a DUI, or you have questions about your rights, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help. For the last 20 years, we've helped thousands of Florida drivers keep their licenses and fight the DUI charges against them.